Toddlerhood. What do you think toddlerhood is famous for? Or should I say infamous for? Well, the temper tantrums. Yes, every parent's nightmare, the temper tantrums. But why do these temper tantrums happen? What is the reason that 2-year-old and 3-year-old are riddled with temper tantrums? Well, there is a biological reason for it, and that is the brain is still developing. It hasn't yet completely developed. The frontal part, which develops at the end, the last part to develop, is the frontal part, and that is what regulates your behavior, that is what regulates your emotions, that is what teaches you to self-regulate yourself. And that part starts developing only by the age of 4. It takes time for it to come. Therefore, your 2-year-olds and 3-year-olds have no self-regulation, have no control over their emotions. Therefore, they throw temper tantrums because many a times they are so overwhelmed with emotion, they don't know what to do. And that is why temper tantrums happen. But then, how can we help them? Is there no way? Of course there is. There are few things that we can do to help your toddler not have so many temper tantrums, plus, if they do have, to manage them well. Well, first and foremost, this is an age of discovery for your toddler. They are discovering themselves. They realize their hands and legs can do things. They realize that their words can evoke response and reactions. So they try so many new things every moment. Suddenly they hit a roadblock because they do not have that ability to control, and that is when the temper tantrum happens. So, what do we do about it? Well, we can help them by first accepting their self-assertion and 2, giving them direction. There are a few other things that we can do. We can bring about changes in ourselves, in our thinking, in our attitude, in our expectations, and in our reactions. In fact, we shouldn't be reacting. We should be responding. And if we do that, I think we can manage temper tantrums quite well. There are other things that we can do to help your child, or rather, to help you to manage your child's temper tantrums far better. The top 3 rules: 1, be consistent. 2, be consistent. 3, be consistent. That is, consistency will take you a long way with your toddler. A few other things that we can do is, first, give your child a heads up. Toddlers do not understand time. Toddlers do not like sudden changes. So, if a toddler is engrossed in an activity and you need your toddler to come to you or change the activity, then go 5-10 minutes before and tell them that we have to wind up this activity in a little while. So, if you require, put an alarm over there, put a timer over there, and tell your toddler that once the bell rings, you need to stop playing or you need to start getting ready. The toddler will accept it much better than otherwise. Well, the other things that you can avoid is the trigger points like hunger and sleep. If your toddler is going to be hungry, then either feed the toddler and then take him out, or carry food with you so that you are well prepared. Sleep time, you know what time your toddler sleeps. In that case, make sure you come back home before sleep time so there won't be a tantrum. Well, there are other things that you can do is give your toddler a limited choice. Don't put everything in front of the toddler. The toddler will be overwhelmed. So, put a few things and let him or her choose what they want to. They will feel good because they get a choice. Show them empathy. Toddlers are not looking for sympathy. toddlers want you to understand that their feelings are very, very genuine. Their feelings are very important, and show them that. Show them that you understand their feeling. Show them that you really know that they are hurting. And if you empathize with them, the toddler will be on your side. Well, you can also make sure that you redirect your toddler to another activity, a more interesting activity. At this age, children can be distracted very quickly, and that is something you can show them, and they will forget what their tantrum was for. Validate their feelings. Their feelings are as important and as genuine as yours and mine. Therefore, we need to validate them. We need to tell them, yes, we know how much hurt you feel. We need to make them understand, we know you are frustrated. It is very frustrating when you can't do something which you want to do. And if you validate their feelings, it will help a lot. Show them compassion. Make sure that they understand that you understand that they are hurting. Deal with them with patience. Why only toddlers? I think you should deal with all children with patience, and that takes you a long way. Well, these are a few things that you could try to manage the temper tantrums with your toddlers. This is Purnima from the Growth Riddle, signing off until the next video.